much for gracing this occasion. To come all the way to Goa. कैसा लग रहा है Goa and also Delton Star Weekend? You're closing this. You are a superstar. How are you feeling?
I'm not feeling khamosh. I'm feeling like talking to. I mean, it's Goa. I mean, it's like so close to home. It's one of the best cities in our country. It's one of the funnest cities. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? Heaven. Okay, yes, correct. Heaven. Yes, Goa.
Also being at the Delton Star Weekend, क्या ये आपका पहला टाइम है on a casino, aboard a casino? Tell us about it.
Yeah, actually my
Yeah.
first time in India, at a casino, and it's quite a fun place to be, as I can see from all you happy faces over here.
Yeah, and Solitario is the Blink partner and has some fabulous prizes in store. Lucky draw, जो मैं आपको नीचे बताऊंगी.
All the best, everyone.
So, Sakshi, what is the secret? चाहे वक्त कैसा भी गुजर रहा हो, चाहे कुछ भी चल रहा हो लाइफ में, how do you keep yourself happy and like you're always looking hopeful? To me, there's never a time when you've ever been कि
I think छोटी चीजों में खुशियाँ ढूंढना is very important, right? So then you're not waiting for that one big thing. And now I have my husband to keep me happy.
अरे baby!
Mainstream Hindi cinema, yeah, it's not having the best actually at the box office nowadays. So what's your take on it?
I think somewhere down the line कहीं ना कहीं creativity थोड़ी डामाडोल हो चुकी है, but I think once we get that back on track, I think we will also be on track in terms of like box office. So yeah.
And what's helped you stay authentic इस industry में? What has helped you go through it? Or what is your mantra? There's something that you do fitness wise, just generally.
I think in general it's very important to stay true to yourself, be yourself, be happy with yourself. And जो मंत्रा मैं फॉलो करती हूँ जब लोग ज़्यादा पट 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 बक 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 करते हैं तो एक ही मंत्रा काम में आता है, वो होता है भाड़ में जाओ.
About married life, how is it? Is it something you recommend? Because some of us are single.
I highly recommend it. I think all the men here are not going to agree with me, but I highly recommend it. I think शादी का लड्डू वो होता है ना, जो खाते हैं वो भी पछताते हैं, जो नहीं खाते वो भी पछताते हैं. But I am तो enjoying it. तो मतलब I highly recommend it.
हिंदी और साउथ इंडस्ट्री के बीच में लाइंस ब्लर हो रही हैं. It's becoming Indian cinema. What do you have to say about it? क्या चल क्या रहा है?
I love it. I mean language no bar. जहाँ पर अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट दिख गई बस वहाँ पे भाग लिए हम. और अभी जटधारा की शूटिंग कंप्लीट हुई है और अभी मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है 30th मई को, निकिता रॉय. इट्स अ मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर सस्पेंस सब है इस फिल्म में, तो प्लीज जाकर देखिए निकिता रॉय ऑन 30th May.
Is it the new thing? Is that where we're going to see a lot of film stars? Is that something that is a good?
कुछ ना कुछ तो नया होते ही रहता है, बट आई फील जो थिएटर्स का चार्म है, जो सब एज अ कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग, जैसे आप लोग सब यहाँ पर आए और एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक थिएटर में जाकर साथ में पिक्चर देखना, सीटी मारना, तालियां बजाना, आई थिंक दैट्स अ होल डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर. आई थिंक उससे कुछ रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता.
Alright. To go through this next segment very quickly. It's called Malishka Ki Slam Book. You've done this before, and you know what it is. So you just answer this quickly. All right, Sunil. Name.
सोनाक्षी.
Pet name.
सोना.
Star sign.
जेमिनी.
एक हॉबी आपकी जिस that nobody could guess कि आपकी है. मैंने पेंटिंग बोल दिया.
पेंटिंग बोल दिया. स्केचिंग.
Okay. Your favorite spot. घर के अंदर आपका favorite spot.
माय सोफा.
Okay. एक word to describe yourself.
असली.
Asli Sona. Asli Sona. That's also her Instagram account, by the way. You can check it out. What would your dad describe you as? Shotgun Sinha. आपके बारे में क्या कहते हैं? नहीं.
खामोश नहीं कहते मुझे.
नहीं.
मैं उन्हें खामोश कहती हूँ. अगर सिर्फ उनको कोई, अगर इस दुनिया में कोई उनको खामोश कर सकता है वो मैं हूँ.
Yeah, because daughters and fathers.
Correct.
हाँ.
What does he call me?
What would he describe you as? एक शब्द में.
He calls me Shona baby.
Only.
Yeah. And बचपन से, so it's stuck.
मतलब दुनिया में जैसे वो खामोश बोलते हैं, you have always been.
तब मेरे साथ एकदम soft हो
जाते. What would your husband describe you as?
The best.
All right. What is the one thing that marriage has taught you?
Taught me. Honestly, nothing has changed for me after marriage. I'm like loving it even more.
Yeah.
Things have just gotten better. So I think just the importance of companionship and friendship with the person.
All right. What is the one advice you would like to give a 16-year-old जो actor बनना चाहती, 18 भी हो सकती है, मगर actor बनना चाहती आज के ज़माने में?
Again, the same. be true to your patience, be true to yourself, be yourself. I think authenticity और uniqueness लोगों को बहुत पसंद है ना? Yeah? So I think just stay true to yourself.
All right. They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but according to Sona, Dash is a girl's best friend. Fill in that blank. She's not going to say what she thought of just now.
Independence.
Independence is a girl's best friend. Like it. Tell us about your first paycheck. Your first paycheck was?
My first paycheck was 3,000 रुपए मिले थे मुझे. मैं अपने कॉलेज SNDT कॉलेज से फैशन डिजाइनिंग पढ़ रही थी और वहाँ से मैं वॉलंटियर करने चली गई लैक्मे फैशन वीक में. और मेरा जॉब था लोगों को सीट पर दिखाना, बेसिकली एन अशर. सो उस 5 दिन के लिए मुझे 3,000 रुपए मिले थे एंड दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट पेचेक एंड आई गिव दैट टू माय पेरेंट्स.
Amazing. And yeah, you can. आजकल पेचेक कहाँ जाता है?
वो हम यहाँ डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. छापा नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, your go-to song when you want to relax and sing us a couple lines because she sings well. I know this.
No, I don't sing well. But I'll tell you my go-to song.
Say.
It is Because I'm Happy. That's
See?
a very fun, very like sweet song.
You are a happy guy. Your favorite prank to play on your husband?
My husband only keeps playing pranks on me. वो मुझे chance ही कहाँ देता है?
क्या बोल रहे हो? We'll discuss this later. All right. One lucky break that happened in your life that you'll forever be thankful for.
दबा. क्योंकि मुझे कभी एक्ट्रेस बनना ही नहीं था. And suddenly, out of nowhere, this film was offered to me and it changed my life completely. And here I am, 15 years later, still entertaining you all.
Woohoo!
And thank you all for the love that you all have given me
Yeah,
over all this
baby!
time. I mean, आप audience हो, आप मतलब you all are the ultimate, people. And like, I'm so happy and blessed that you all love me.
All right. On that note, I would like you to wish them a very, very lucky day because this is the last day of the Delton Star weekend, but the most fabulous and most glamorous, obviously, because you're here.
Absolutely. I wish you all the very best. खूब मजे करो. I think enjoy the process. Sometimes when you're just focused on like winning, वो मजा खत्म हो जाता है. So just enjoy, and I'm sure you guys will make a killing.
All right, Sonakshi Sinha, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, about the Delton Star